the Home Environment 4-H project. This is one we have nicknamed the Pinterest project. The following are some home environment projects that competed at the 2016 Indiana State Fair. Here, a tailgate from a vintage Ford pickup truck was incorporated into a bench seat. 2 6-panel doors used as a backdrop for a home organizational shelving unit. A water trough repurposed as a cushioned bench seat. A dresser painted and decorated in a Harley-Davidson motif. A rustic barnwood headboard. Bar stools made by combining vintage milk cans and tractor seats. And a couple of very nice refinished display cabinets. There are 3 grade levels within the Home Environment project. In each one of these 3 grade levels, the 4-H'er may exhibit a furniture item and notebook, or a poster along with the notebook, or the notebook by itself. In grade level 1, the 4-H'er may exhibit a hanging or wall hanging item, a storage item or organizer, or 3 to 5 accessory items for your chosen room. In grade levels 2 and 3, the 4-H'er may exhibit one piece of furniture that the member has refinished, reupholstered, repurposed, or changed using decoupage, paint, fabric, etc., or a 1 to 2 piece cushion set displayed with furniture, a window treatment, or a collection of 3 to 5 similar items such as baskets, wicker items, etc. A total of 6 exhibits, 2 from each of the 3 grade levels, may be chosen to go on to compete at the Indiana State Fair. A full listing of rules for this project can be found in the Benton County 4-H Handbook. To enroll in this project, go to indiana.4honline.com and follow the detailed enrollment instructions.